how to translate your PowerPoint slide. So go on to Review, and you have Translate. So click onto the Translate button. Now you can select the text that you want. So I'm going to select all this. And you can choose the subject that you want. Not subject, the language. There's lots to choose from. Oh, I'm surprised it even has these. Look, it even has Klingon. It's got African languages. Let's see if we've got Swahili. So this is very good for translations. You can even switch it around. If you want to change your whole PowerPoint language, you can go here, language preferences. So mine's on English. I think if you've seen my other videos, it was in Korean before. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.